Hi everyone, and welcome back to the VPN Ranks YouTube channel. Like every day, I'm Hassan, your host for today, and in today's video, we're diving into an important topic: what to do if your email gets hacked, and what steps can you take so that it's never done again. If you've just been a victim of email hacking, or you're worried that this may happen to you, then today's video is for you. So let's get started. First, let's begin by talking about how email hacks usually happen. In most cases, this would happen after a password breach. Now, if you're using just one password across all of your accounts, like your email, your social media accounts, your banking details, or some other platforms, then hackers can gain access to all of your accounts if they just crack one password. Once they have access, they can lock you out of your accounts, steal your personal information, and worse comes to worse, perhaps even use your accounts to spread spam or scam your friends and family. One of the first things you need to do after noticing a hack is to secure your passwords. Now, I know you're tempted to think that I'm just going to create a super complicated password and I'm just going to write it down on a sticky note or the Notes app on your computer, but know that if these passwords are not kept in a protected app, then you are already making the biggest mistake. The solution: use a password manager. Password managers like Bitwarden or 1Password can generate and store some very strong and complicated passwords, and can even assign passwords that are unique for every platform. So even if the hacker does get his hands on 1Password, all of your other accounts will still remain protected. Next, we need to have a conversation about Two-Factor Authentication, or 2FA. This is one of the easiest ways and the most recommended ways of securing your accounts. Basically, 2FA requires two fields for you to log in. One is obviously your password, and the second is a code that is sent to a device that is linked to your account, perhaps your mobile number. Now, there are many different ways of implementing 2FA, and one of the most secure methods is to use hardware key like Yubikey. This physical device will add an extra layer of protection over your passwords in any of your devices. But if you don't want to buy a hardware key, then apps like Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator are great alternatives. One pro method of protecting your email even more is using an email alias. This means that you create a unique email address for each of your profiles or social media platforms, and all of these emails will be forwarding the necessary mail to your main email address. For example, instead of using your real email address to sign up to a newsletter, you could always use your alias. That way, if this newsletter service or the company that is sending out the newsletters is hacked, your account will always remain safe. There are services like Proton Mail or Simple Login that will make this easy. Now, let's go over some simple yet overlooked habits to keep your account safe. Don't reuse passwords across sites. This is among the easiest ways for hackers to get access to all of your accounts. Next, be careful about phishing scams. If you get an email asking you to change your passwords or provide personal details, always double check the sender and URL before clicking any of the links. Lastly, avoid downloading suspicious attachments or visiting untrustworthy websites. Malware can silently record your keystrokes and send hacker your credentials. Now you might be wondering, these tips were too basic, what else can I do to remain safe? Well, here are a couple of my favorite tips. If you're browsing on public Wi-Fi, using a VPN can help protect your connection. While it's not a silver bullet, it can reduce risks when accessing sensitive websites. Secondly, consider turning on login alerts for all your important accounts. This way, if anyone tries to log in from an unknown location, you'll be the first one to know. To wrap things up, protecting your email and your other accounts isn't just as simple as adding strong passwords. You need to use a combination of password managers, two-factor authentication, and extra precautions like email aliases or login alerts to keep your account completely safe. Remember that security is an ongoing process and not a one-time fix, so always stay vigilant. I really hope these tips help you stay safe online. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more privacy and security tips. Also, if you have some tips of your own or need some more clarity, please leave a comment below and we'll get right to solving your problems. Thank you for watching and stay safe out there. We'll see you in the next video.